Welcome to week one, Wednesday of our 90-day Facebook Aura Seeing practice session. I'm Pete from Learning Strategies. Now, before we begin, I'd like to say that you're welcome to stand when you're doing the gazing, or you can sit down. If you do choose to stand, make sure that you can stay standing still without movements for the length of the gazing session. If you can't, then by all means sit down. And if you're standing, don't hold any tension in your shoulders. Drop your shoulders and bend your knees a little bit. If you find at all during the gazing session that you've locked your knees, then relax them a little bit. Bend them just a little bit. Or if your shoulders have gotten a little tense, relax them. And the other thing you want to pay attention to is how tired are you when you're doing the gazing practice. So if you're tired, write that in your journal because you want to notice a difference in your ability to gaze and also in your ability to see auras in different states of being. So for example, if you're tired, what is different about that? So with that said, let's get right into our session. We're going to be doing 3 minutes of fourfold breathing again. Then we'll be followed by 4 minutes of soft gazing and 4 minutes of air, the air element chart. So let's get the timing machine going and let's get started. Okay, you can close your eyes and begin your fourfold breathing. My intention is to enter a relaxed state for gazing. Now open your eyes, continue with your fourfold breathing, and do soft gazing. My intention is I choose to practice my soft gazing so that I improve my aura seeing ability. Okay, now turn to your elemental symbol chart, which is air. And we'll do 4 minutes of gazing at the chart, continuing with your fourfold breathing. And my intention is to balance and enhance my cognitive and mental capacities and abilities, and balance the air element and air energy in my body. Okay, that's it. I'd like to share my experience with you. So this is the second time that I've done the practice this morning. Once a half an hour ago, and I had to do it again because the Facebook feed quit working for some reason. When I did the soft gazing, it wasn't as good as the first time I did it this morning. And part of the reason was I had so much mind chatter going on, and I forgot to drop it, to let it go. When I switched over to here, I immediately recognized that was going on. And then I dropped the mind chatter. And as I dropped the mind chatter, the whole, everything I was experiencing changed, and it became very, very stable. The image wasn't moving. It was stable. It was the same size. It was a wonderful experience. So if you have mind chatter when you're doing the gazing, drop it. Just notice what you're seeing And any mind conversation that comes up, just notice that you're having it and let it go. That's it. We'll see you tomorrow for, what is it? The Thursday day of week 1. Thank you for being here. Bye.